Hi, Howie from Berlon. Today we're going to talk about our new land plane for our mini loaders and compact tractors. These units are available in 48 and 54-inch widths. So some features on this unit. You can see back here we've got a piece of angle that'll act as a cutting edge, if you will, break down your high points. Then we've got the edges in here which are V'd, so no matter which way you're going, forward or reverse, they'll move your material from your higher points, fill in your low spots. Then we've got the expanded metal to break up any dirt clumps or chunks of gravel. And then on the front we've got the rake tooth edge. What that'll do for you as you're running in reverse, that'll leave a nice clean finish. And you can actually use this as a scare fire tooth, if you will, to break up any hard soil or gravel.